It's John Dose here, and on this tip and trick, we're going to focus on some different products to help clean ceiling tiles. This is a dry chem sponge. Works well for getting miscellaneous marks off of the ceiling tile. And a good trick is taking one of these sponges and on punch list day, when you got to cover a lot of ground in a short amount of time, is just literally putting that to us. Putting our sponge to a T, and then you can use it to wipe off, and you can do this all from the ground. We're just going to walk around. We're in our training phase here at Armstrong, the Armstrong Training Center. Get a piece of interlude grid with our dry chem sponge, and if you look right here, here's some black tile with some white marks on it. Normally it's reversed, right? It's a white tile with black mark on it, but you know, let's see if we can get this off with right from the ground, no ladder. Oh, looks like it's disappearing. There's some marks right here. Again, for more tips and tricks like these, follow the link on the bottom of the screen.